If you ever tried making AI characters talk, you probably know how unpredictable it can get, especially if you have multiple characters talking at the same time. So in this video, I'll show you how to take control of your character's dialogue. You'll learn how to control exactly what your characters say, add emotions and accents, make them speak different languages, and create natural dialogue between multiple characters. And by the end, we'll combine everything to create scenes like this.
Hundreds of cable channels, plus Netflix, HBO Max, Hulu, and Amazon Prime subscriptions, and still nothing to watch. Just wow.
This pizza looks like a corpse pulled from the fire!
I guess I wasn't born to cook.
You weren't born for much at all!
Let's begin. We will start with Coach Potato image, which you can find in this mini course materials provided in this video description. Just press on the link and download it. Inside you will find the image called Coach Potato. Upload it to Seedance 2.0 fast. You can use any platform, but in this video I'll be using Kia.ai on the EasyGens platform, as it has some of the best generation prices on the market. I'm also using Seedance 2.0 fast instead of standard, because the fast version is twice as cheap, while the animation results are the same. If you want to use Kia AI on EasyGens 2, you'll find a 2-minute setup tutorial inside the video materials page. Now open the provided prompt sheet, find the first prompt and copy-paste it into the Seedance 2.0 fast prompt box. Choose the duration of 10 seconds, 480p quality, and generate a video.
Ugh, come on, next. Nope, still trash. How is it all commercials again? Next, same show, different hat. Wow, riveting.
So basically, you told AI what the character should do and what he should talk about while performing that action. As you can see, the results are great. The man is complaining that there's nothing to watch while hopping between channels. In this example, I wanted to show you that you can simply set the topic and the character will talk about it. You don't need to provide a specific script. However, if you want the character to say exact lines, it's even easier. Copy the second prompt from the prompt sheet. Notice how in this prompt the words the character must say are placed in quotation marks. This tells AI exactly what to make the character say. Generate the video.
Hundreds of cable channels, plus Netflix, HBO Max, Hulu, and Amazon Prime subscriptions, and still nothing to watch. Just wow.
Awesome. Steve said the exact same words you provided in the prompt because they were in quotation marks. That's really cool. If you want to add some spice to it, you can slightly adjust the prompt by adding words that make the character speak in a more emotional way. For example, add shouts angrily.
Hundreds of cable channels, plus Netflix, HBO Max, Hulu, and Amazon Prime subscriptions, and still nothing to watch. Just wow.
Another great speech trick I love is adding an accent. For instance, says in a Spanish accent.
Hundreds of cable channels, plus Netflix, HBO Max, Hulu, and Amazon Prime subscriptions, and still nothing to watch. Just wow!
You can even make him speak in another language by specifying it in the prompt. For example, says in Korean.
아 진짜 채널이 수백 개에다 넷플릭스, HBO Max, 훌루, 아마존 프라임까지 다 돈 내고 있는데 볼 게 왜 이렇게 없냐? 어? 이게 다 뭐야?
Now let's use the third prompt for this image, the multi-shot prompt. We'll use the tricks you already know. Set the duration to 15 seconds and generate a video. Remember, if something feels off, just generate again. The more complex the prompt, the higher the chance it might fail.
Hundreds of channels, and still nothing to watch.
Introducing the new self-heating Doritos Bowl. Crispy chips swimming in molten nacho cheese that stays hot for hours. Just snap, stir, and snack. That's what I need!
Let's analyze it. In the first scene, we made the character say the exact line hundreds of channels, and still nothing to watch. Then we switched to an over-the-shoulder shot to show the viewer what he's watching. After that, we asked AI to display a heating Doritos bowl commercial. We only provided the idea, not the full ad text, because we knew Sora could handle it on its own. And it did. Finally, we switched the camera back to the man and made him react by saying the exact line. That's what I need. You could have also used cut in brackets instead of timestamps, but I found that for this specific image, timestamps work better. If you're aiming for the best result, always test. Alright, so now you know how to make one character talk in multi-shot videos and create short sketches. Now let's move on to dialogue and make two characters talk instead of one. Upload the image called Park and copy the first prompt. Here's a short dialogue between the two. We'll keep it simple. After each cut in brackets, just write who's talking in that shot and exactly what they're saying. Also specify what happens before they start talking and after they finish. Let's see how it goes.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Steve, is this supposed to be romantic?
Nature is romantic.
I've had enough, Steve. I'm leaving you. You're hopeless.
I recommend doing this a few times, since AI might not depict all the lines perfectly. Even though both characters talk now, you might feel they lack emotion. The lines can sound a bit robotic.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Steve, is this supposed to be romantic?
To improve that, add parentheticals to your prompts. Wait, what are parentheticals? Parentheticals are short directions in a script that describe a character's tone, emotion, or action while delivering a line. In the prompt sheet, you'll find the same prompt you used before, but with parentheticals. Generate a video.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Steve, is this supposed to be romantic?
Nature is romantic.
I've had enough, Steve. I'm leaving you. You're hopeless.
As you can see, the dialogue feels more alive, immersive, and realistic. That's a great hack I recommend using to make your scenes better. Now let's jump into the final example. This is the same video I used in one of my X posts some time ago. To recreate it, we'll use the most advanced prompt to date. Copy it from the prompt sheet. Generate a 15-second video.
This pizza looks like a corpse pulled from the fire.
I guess I wasn't born to cook.
You weren't born for much at all.
Let's analyze it. In the first scene, we introduce the audience to what happened. Steve burns the pizza. Then we cut to a close-up of his face to show his reaction. He's clearly stressed. Next, we use an insert shot to emphasize the problem and how bad it really is. The remaining 3 lines are dialogue between two characters, where we apply all the prompt tricks we've learned so far. We put the exact words in quotation marks, add emotion like angrily or desperately, and make the chef speak with an Italian accent. A classic stereotype that makes the scene even funnier. Creating dialogue scenes like this and experimenting with your own ideas is a fun and exciting exercise I really recommend trying. By practicing, your skill set will level up fast. You'll discover new tricks, become far more flexible, and gain confidence for when it's time to create your own full animated episode. And if this gets you excited, I'd love to invite you to Cartoon Hero course. Inside, you'll learn the exact AI animation workflow I use to create my animations and get millions of views on X, broken down step by step so even a complete beginner can follow it. More than 1,200 creators have already joined, and many have used these skills to land freelance gigs, get full-time AI jobs, start AI animation agencies, or build their own creator brands on social media. You'll also join our thriving Discord and school communities, where you can connect with other AI creators, share your work, get feedback, and build together. So, if you're serious about AI animation and want to get ahead while this space is still early, join Cartoon Hero through the link below. We open enrollment once in 2 months.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. More tutorials coming soon. See ya!